inside our Earth?
Yes.
Yeah.
Sir.
Yeah, please copy down the structure. This one, copy down this. This is the Earth. Okay. And the center of that, you've got a core. We have a inner core, and we do have something called outer core. Okay. Then comes mantle. Then comes lithosphere. Please copy down this. Please draw this figure. It is very simple. Don't complicate by this diagram. It is a inner core is there. Then you have got outer core. Then you have got mantle. Then you have got crust. Okay, these layers you have to draw. Okay, so Earth is like an onion. Like you can take out like a layer after layer. Okay, concentric layers. Earth is having concentric layers, one above the other. The topmost layer, which we call lithosphere, is nothing but a crust. Crust is the topmost layer. It is the thinnest of all. Okay, it is the thinnest. Normally we draw. In fact, what I drawn is also wrong. It should be like this. Okay, it is very thin. Okay, very thin. Just 35 kilometer maximum, and to a minimum of 5 kilometer. To a minimum of 5 kilometer to maximum of 35 kilometer is what the thickness of the crust. So it is thinnest layer. Okay. And right now crust is made up of either Cl or Cma. Okay, Cl means silicon and aluminium. This is the composition of continent. It's the composition of continent. Cr, silicon and aluminium. Okay, and draw this structure also. Please copy it on this image. Look at this. This is the ocean. Okay, so ocean bottom is also part of the crust. Continent bottom is also part of the crust. Okay, so here maximum you'll have 35 kilometer depth, and here just 5 kilometer depth. Okay. So ocean bottom is also part of the crust. Continent is also part of the crust. Mountain is also part of the crust. So here what you have is a Cma, and here what you have is a Cr. Silicon and aluminum is found in the continent. Silicon and magnesium is found in the ocean. Okay, below the crust you got mantle. Below the crust you got mantle. Mantle is having a largest volume. Okay, look at this. 84% of Earth consists of mantle only. 84% of the Earth consists of mantle. 84% of mantle consists of. Sorry, 84% of Earth consists of mantle. Okay. And crust is just 1%. And core consists of 15%. Look at this. So if they're asking the volume wise, what is that? Mantle comes first, then comes core, then comes crust. This is a volume wise decrease. Okay. So what is the composition of mantle? Mantle has very important composition. Write down. Asthenosphere. Important component called asthenosphere. Asthenosphere, which is a magma chamber. That means all the volcanoes which is coming, erupting. To have an example of any volcanoes, these volcanoes are not coming from the core. There's a misconception that is coming from the core. They're not coming from the core. It is coming from the mantle. Okay, it is coming from the mantle. It is coming from somewhere here in the mantle. Okay. This layer where the magma is occupied is known by the name asthenosphere. Asthenosphere. And then we go to core. Core is divided into inner core and outer core. Inner core and outer core. Outer core is in liquid state. Outer core is in liquid state. Inner core is in solid state. Okay. And the inner core is made up of Nifi. Nifi means nickel and iron. Nickel and iron. Nickel and ferrous. Nifi. Okay. Like how we say Sial and Sima. Like this here, we have Nifi. Next is rocks and minerals. Okay. So write down heading called rocks. There are three types of rocks. One is igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and metamorphic rocks. Igneous rocks, sedimentary rock, and metamorphic rocks. Igneous rocks are known as primary rock. Please write down, this is being repeated question. Primary rocks. That means they are mother of all rocks. Okay. What is this? The molten magma which comes to the surface, they gets cooled off, okay, and they become solid. And what rock is formed in this igneous rocks? Okay. Right on, igneous rocks is because of cooling of magma. Cooling of magma. There are two types of igneous rock. One is known as intrusive rock. The other is extrusive rock. Intrusive and extrusive. Intrusive rock and extrusive rock. Intrusive means inside the earth surface. That means imagine that there's a earth and from magma is coming from them and it is getting solid inside the earth itself. Okay. They are known as intrusive rock. Okay. Sometimes they are coming and they are coming to the surface and they solidify in the surface. They are known by the name extrusive rock. Okay. Both are component the same. What is the component? Magma is coming and getting cooled. Magma is coming and getting cooled. Okay. So it can be intrusive rock, it can be extrusive rock. Intrusive rock means a rock which is found inside the earth surface, and extrusive which is found in the earth surface. Okay. We have Deccan Plateau. Have you heard about this word, Deccan Plateau? What are the states are there in Deccan Plateau? What are the states are there in Deccan Plateau? Andhra Pradesh.
Madhya Pradesh.
Telangana.
Partially Madhya Pradesh. But one in
Telangana.
Okay. Okay. This portion is Deccan Plateau. Okay. So this portion means which state is coming?
Maharashtra.
Maharashtra. So Maharashtra mainly, then Gujarat, some part of Karnataka, Madhya Pradesh also you can see. So you write down, India has got a plateau which is known as Deccan Plateau, consisting of states like Maharashtra, Gujarat, Karnataka and all. It is made up of basalt rock. Basalt is an igneous rock. Basalt is an igneous rock. So they'll ask you examples, which is the igneous rock, which is not igneous rock. So one example is basalt is an igneous rock. Basalt is an igneous rock. Okay. Then granite is also igneous rock. They are mostly found inside the earth. They are example of intrusive rock. They are example of intrusive rock. They are example of intrusive rock. Okay. Fine. Now the specialty about this igneous rock is they have got minerals. Okay. Like especially metal, iron, gold, kind of iron, gold, silver. All these metals are found in igneous rocks. Okay. Then third type of rock is known by the name sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks. So first is an it's a second type of rock. First is igneous rock. Second is a sedimentary rock. Sedimentary rocks happens because of the process called right now denudation. Denudation. Denudation means weathering, erosion, transportation, and deposition. Weathering, erosion, transportation, and deposition. Okay, so suppose assume one igneous rock is there, okay, that is getting subjected to this one, rainfall is there, okay, the sunlight is there, okay. So all these are agents of weathering, so they're getting disintegrated and this is getting washed away and getting deposited somewhere else. Okay. So right now, weathering, erosion, transportation, deposition, it creates a new set of rock called sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks. These rocks are found in layers. The most important characteristics are sedimentary rocks are found in layers. Sedimentary rocks are found in layers. Layers. They are deposited. They are deposited. Okay. Example: sandstone, sandstone, limestone, sandstone, limestone. Okay. Shale, shale, shale. All these are examples of sedimentary rocks. The specialty about sedimentary rocks is they have got fossils. They got fossils. Fossils. That means you got hydrocarbons. You could have heard about hydrocarbons like coal is there, petroleum is there. All these are found. So question can come: which type of rock has got hydrocarbons or coal? The answer is sedimentary rocks. Sedimentary rocks is where you have got fossils. Wherever fossils are available, you got coal, petroleum, all this stuff. Okay. Now, third is metamorphic rock. Third rock is known as metamorphic rock. Metamorphic rock is nothing but a modified rock. Okay, modified rock. So either a igneous rock or a sedimentary rock is changed into another type of rock because of pressure, okay, and heat, temperature. Okay, because of the pressure and the heat, it is changed into another set of rock. Example: clay is an example of sedimentary rock. It is converted into slate. Clay is an example of sedimentary rock. It is converted into slate because of the changes in the pressure and the temperature. Likewise, limestone is converted into marble. Please copy it on this example. Okay, sedimentary and so we have discussed basically. Look at this. Please copy down this diagram. Okay. Yeah, this diagram. Please copy down this diagram. No need to draw anything. Just mark this as an igneous rocks. Okay, this is no, this is magma. This is magma. This is igneous rock. Sediments, sedimentary rocks, metamorphic rock. Okay. Please do this cycle. You understand what is rock cycle. That means a metamorphic rock can become a sedimentary rock. Sedimentary can become metamorphic. Metamorphic can become igneous. All these possibilities. Any rock can become anything else. Please copy down this. Is it done? Okay, so this is a rock cycle. Any rock can become anything else. This one is rock cycle. Rock cycle. Any doubts in the rock formation or the rock cycle or any kind of things? Tell me. Examples are very, very important. Examples are very important. Okay. Granite is an example of what?
Igneous.
Igneous rock. Okay. Very good. Okay. Sedimentary rock, can you give me an example, Alan?
Limestone.
Limestone. Okay. Very good. Akshay, can you tell me metamorphic rock example?
Slate or lime.
Slate. From where it is converted? Slate is converted from?
Converted into slate.
Clay is converted. Okay. Very good. Now look at this. This kind of architecture you might have seen. Okay. These are made up of marble and sandstone, red sandstone. Red Fort is made up of red sandstone. Likewise, Taj Mahal is made up of white marble. Okay. Marble is converted from which rock?
Limestone.
Limestone. Okay. Which rocks has got fossils?
Sedimentary.
Sedimentary. Which rock has got minerals like iron and gold and all?
Igneous rocks.
Yeah, igneous rocks. Okay, rocks are made up of different minerals. Minerals are I told you this. Okay. Let us do some exercise. Yeah. Tell me, Ansi, what's the answer for first question?
Igneous rocks.
The rock which is made up of molten
Igneous
rocks. Okay. Yeah. Preeti, tell me what is the answer for this question. Second question.
Core.
Core. Very good. Alan?
Fossils.
Hmm?
Fossil.
Anybody else?
Minerals.
Minerals. Just now I told you these are minerals. Okay. These are minerals. Okay. Metallic mineral. Okay. Then energy mineral. Okay. Fuel mineral. These are minerals. Yeah. Tell me, Abarna, the fourth question.
Sedimentary rock.
Okay. Please have some quiet place here where you are studying. Yeah, Akshay, tell me, the thinnest layer of the earth is?
Crust.
Crust. Crust is that. Okay. So this comes